This is an ASUS laptop in a very good condition, but it has a big problem, notable that the time has passed over it. Hi, my name is Peter, and in this video I will upgrade the hardware of this 8 years old laptop, meanwhile I do the thorough cleaning of it. According to the maximum upgradability, I will change the CPU to the brand new Intel i3 2070M, which is working on 2.4 GHz. I also place 4 GB of DDR3 memory into the only one slot of the motherboard. Instead of a HDD, I will build in a Kingston 120 GB of SSD, but to keep a bigger storage for pictures, videos and documents, I will take out the DVD-ROM, and with the help of the HDD caddy, I put back the original hard disk. First, I remove the battery, then the screws at the bottom. Let's take a look at the notebook. This is an ASUS X54L laptop, which was released in 2011, and most of these laptops were provided with entry-level performance. This product is also not an exception. It has an Intel Pentium B940 2 GHz dual-core processor with a second generation Intel HD Graphics card. Its memory doesn't meet the expectation of the modern age. It has only one piece of 2 GB of DDR3 RAM with 1333 MHz. Nevertheless, the laptop has an impeccable condition, it has never suffered any liquid damage, and I can't complain about the battery either. Lastly, there is a 320 GB of Seagate hard disk in it. To remove the keyboard, I must push the 5 pins which are holding it, and then I can pull it out from its place. We have to be very careful during the removal of the ribbon cables, because if they break, they cannot be repaired, only replaced. After removing the remaining screws with the help of a guitar plucker or any plastic special tool, the plastic cover can easily be taken apart. Carefully pull out the cables from the motherboard. Few more screws and the motherboard can be taken out. The CPU cooler is held by 4 screws, so we have to remove these in order to reach the CPU. Rotate the screw at the bottom of the CPU with 180 degrees with a flathead screwdriver. Then we can easily take out the CPU. You can see that this motherboard has never gone thorough cleaning, but I will give it now. With the help of isopropyl alcohol, I cleaned the thickened thermal paste off the CPU. The remaining parts of the laptop also get a complete cleaning. By putting back the CPU, we have to make sure that the arrows on the CPU and the motherboard are facing in the same direction. We use only a little of the thermal paste because it's enough for the necessary heat transfer. After putting in the new memory, we are done with the motherboard. we have to make sure to put all the cables back to their original places. Let's talk about the costs. The brand new processor costs €20 from China. The memory was €70 in used condition. I bought the SSD from a Hungarian web store for €25. The HDD caddy also came from China for €3. This better quality thermal paste costs €5. The total amount was about €70. For that money it is worth to speed up an old laptop. Built in the SSD, first we have to take out the hard disk from its holder, which is only kept together by 2 screws. Simply put the hard disk into the HDD caddy. It's easy to see that it's very unstable, so I fix it with 4 screws at the bottom. It's very important to put over the metal mounting bracket from the DVD-ROM to the HDD caddy because it fixes to its place. Don't forget to put the front of the DVD-ROM to the HDD caddy, which can be easily pushed there. I just easily slip it into the computer and fix it with a screw. I connect the ribbon cable of the keyboard and I put the whole thing back to its place. As the last step, I put back the bottom cover and connect the battery to the laptop. Now we are ready to go. If you liked our video, please subscribe on our channel and follow us on Instagram.